Okay, we're going to do a brief tutorial on how to create content for the IDC group. All we need to do is log into the front end. I'm actually going to log in with a regular user's account, just a registered user, but in the back end I've given that user additional privileges so that they can write content into a specific subcategory of the blog. Okay, so I'm logged in now. I'm just going to go down to the blog area. Now I can select business or any subcategory of business, but I'm just going to go to business, it's quicker. And you'll see at the right hand side the blog manager has opened, which is a new menu item, and I can immediately just click add a new item, or while I'm in the category click a button at the top that says add a new item to this category, so I'm going to click that. Now I'm actually looking at this in a standard laptop sized screen, but normally I would open it up in a full size screen. So I'm just going to give it a title. I'll leave the title alias blank, and the reason why is because the system actually generates that alias for us for the URL, this bit at the top here. So if we have test article, it would actually end up being like that. Whoops, if I can spell correctly it helps. And the category, I have privileges to write into business or any subcategory of business, so I'm going to put this into project manager. The tags, again, very useful. So I can create my own if I want. Or just pick from a drop-down list. I wouldn't worry about featuring an article. It will automatically be set to published as you have privileges to do that. Here is the editor area, and I'm just using a plain HTML editor, but you will have a regular editor toolbar. There will be a button down here for you to toggle the editor if you wish to turn it off and go to raw HTML. That's entirely up to yourself. One important feature is the image tab, and you can browse the internet or your local computer for an image. And the reason why we use this is because if the blog has a curated content page, for example, a mosaic page with all the blog items laid out, this image is actually used for navigation, so it's important that we have an image there, ideally an image that portrays the article. That's pretty much it for writing an article, but there's one slight part here that we need to look at. If we just click this toggle sidebar, it isn't opening up completely because I'm in a smaller screen, so I'm just going to scroll to the right. And there's two pieces of information we need to put in: the meta description, which should be around the 160 characters, and the keywords. Now, although keywords aren't used by Google for indexing, we still use them as a topic or a theme keyword. And the reason why is you could write an article, but then I could have to edit that article or vice versa, and it helps the person that's working on the article later understand the content or the context of the article. So once we've put all that information in and we've finished the article, we can save it, which I'm not going to do because it's only a test. Once we've clicked save, we just click close, and because you have publisher status, the article will automatically be published. And that's pretty much it. If you've got any questions, just drop me a line or get in touch. Thanks very much.